How to use Monday.com CRM tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can set up your own customer CRM on Monday.com. So let's get into it. Now, Monday.com is a simple and easy to use project management software. I have already created my account, and you can just create your account by entering your email address and a suitable password. And then after that, you have multiple different templates available. So you can take a look at the CRM template over here. They have several different templates available. So they have sales and CRM templates. They have very specific templates for customer onboarding, supporting sales material, establishing brand kits, marketing activities, other basic CRM templates as well. So if we take a look at the simple CRM template over here, we're going to click on use template on the top right over here to get started with this template, and this will apply it onto my workspace. So on Monday.com, your work will be segregated in the form of workspaces, and within each individual workspace, you will have multiple different dashboards. So let's say I can create a workspace for my business, for maybe my salon. Then within that workspace, I can create different boards for maybe finances, a board for the workers, employee board, a work for the finances, a work for the supplier, a board for the supplier. So on and so forth. You can add different options to your workspace. So you can see I have this Jane Doe workspace, and you can create a new workspace for a specific business or for a specific thing that you want to do. And then within this, I have multiple different boards on my left over here, and you can see this is the template that we just loaded. So this is the CRM template. Within this template, you have different boards. So first off, you have the deals board where you are able to monitor all your deals. You can see this is the grouping, active deals and closed won. And then you have the contact board, you have the accounts board, you have your leads board as well. You also have your activities board, you have your CRM learning center, and you have your dashboard as well. So just like that, you can easily create a simple CRM. You can create a simple CRM for your business. Now, you can see once you have loaded this template, you can begin by customizing to your own thing. So maybe this could be supply deals. So you can see over here, I have renamed it to supply deals, and then you can see with active deals, I have closed one that I can click on add new group on the bottom left, and then create a new group maybe called lost deals. So just like that, I've added a new group, and now you can so on and so forth add your actual deal names. You can see there are a few samples added, but you can just select these from the left side over here and then delete them if you want. So you can click on these three dots, you can delete them, you can customize them. That is totally up to you. But let's say we want to delete these extra ones over here. Now you can see I have a few deals, and you can click on open over here to open up the details of a deal. So you have your overview, you have updates, activity logs, and codes and invoices, and on your right side you will get the deal information, the value, forecast value, priority stages, the assignee as well. And you can see over here, if I scroll this horizontally, so I have all the details for the specific deal available. Now you can click on this plus icon on the right side over here, and you can add another column to indicate another status of the deal. So let's say you want to add a specific person to the deal, a main handler, the deal handler. So for that, you would click on the plus icon or the add column button on the right side of your columns, and then you would click on people, and then you can rename this into a focal person or handler. So I have just named this handler, and then whoever is the person that is dealing with this specific deal could be added over here, so I know who to contact when I'm looking for details on a specific deal. So just like that, you have a simple CRM workflow. Now on your top, you have your main table on your top left, then you have your Kanban views as well. So you can take a look with the Kanban views in the form of these little cards and lists, and then you can also have the forecast views as well. And you can also click on add view over here and click on any kind of view that you want. You can add Gantt views, you can add cards, you can add form, timeline views as well. Now if you go back into the Kanban view, it is pretty great, but using the main table view will help you a little more on getting the details of the specific thing that you're looking at. And then you have, let's say we move on to the second board on the left over here. So I have accountants, I have leads, so you can manage your leads in the same way. you can create new leads, you can add the status of the lead and the emails, the titles, who this person is, how you're trying to deal with them, who is the main person that is handling your lead. So you can add all of this information over here. Now let's get started with creating our new workspace for our CRM, and let's create a CRM for a simple maybe you want to create your customer relation management for your online t-shirt store. So I'm going to click on add workspace and I'm going to rename this into t-shirt CRM. And then you're going to choose the privacy, so every team member can join this account, or closed, but it is going to be an open workspace. And then you can see I have this new CRM board added, this new workspace added basically. And usually I don't recommend creating an entire new workspace for your CRM. I would recommend that you create a workspace for your business, and then within that business workspace you can create your CRM. But if you don't need any of your other things managed on monday.com and you're just using it for CRM, you can follow through just like I have over here. And then you're going to click on add on the top left over here. You're going to click on new board, and then you're going to rename the board to CRM. And now you can see we have added a new simple board. Now within this board, instead of like, obviously I have this workspace as my CRM, I can rename the board into maybe the first thing that I want to manage within my CRM, which could be customer, which could be reports or clients. Then so on and so forth. I'm going to click on add, and I'm going to add a couple more boards. So next thing I want to manage on my CRM is campaign reviews, or maybe employee progress. And then after that, I'm going to select employees from the bottom over here, and I'm going to click on create board. Just like that. So you're going to continue on with this method, and then you're going to just select what you're going to be managing in that board. It could be finances, all of your CRM tools. Obviously with different businesses, you're going to be looking to manage different things. So you're going to just select what you need for that board. Now, after that, I can create a new board for finances, or maybe for customer complaints. And then after that, I'm just going to click on tasks because I want to manage these tasks, which are the complaints. And then I'm going to click on create board. And now within each individual board, you're going to customize that. So let's say I'm going to open up the customer complaints one. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my first group title, which would be leads or tickets. So I'm going to add this as tickets. And then I'm going to change the color to red, to this maroon color, just to better illustrate. And I'm going to delete these sample tasks over here. And then after that, I'm going to add a sample ticket, which could be stain on t-shirt. And now you can see I have this added as my basic task. Now I have these 3 columns, and the date is pretty essential. I have statuses. Then I'm going to actually remove this, and I'm going to add my own custom statuses later on. And instead of person, I'm going to rename this into customer. And then I'm going to add another column, which would be people as well. And then I would add the actual employee that is going to be handling this specific task, or this specific customer complaint. Like so. And then you're going to add more statuses. Obviously you can click on the plus icon. I'm going to click on status, and then I can click on edit labels over here, and I can add urgent, low priority, high priority, so on and so forth. Then I would add the second group below that, which would be solved tickets. And then I can click on add new group, and I can add on unresolved tickets. So just like that, I have different groups, and now whenever a thing is completed, I can move it to the second table just like that. And that is how simple and easy it is to set up your own CRM on monday.com. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And the best part about all of this is that it is available for free. So everything that I showed you guys, you can do it for free on monday.com. And if you want to upgrade to a more premium version, it starts at only $8 per person per month, and it goes up to the $16 price point for the pro version, which has multiple different amazing formulas, formula columns, dependency columns, integrations, and automations as well. So that was it for today, and I will catch you guys in the next video.